What is Salesforce Data Loader and why should I use it? Salesforce Data Loader is a really useful tool that helps admins manage data in Salesforce more easily. It simplifies the process of importing or exporting data in bulk from your organization. It supports all core Salesforce objects and can handle large files with up to 5 million records. You can use it to insert, update, delete, or export data hassle-free. What's really great about Data Loader is that it can handle complex data migration tasks effortlessly. It's perfect for organizations that deal with large amounts of data. Whether you need to migrate data between systems or manipulate a lot of information in a precise and controlled manner, Data Loader has got you covered. But that's not all. Data Loader also offers a command line interface, which means you can automate and schedule data integration processes. You can set up automated data loads at specific times, making it really convenient and flexible. In summary, Data Loader is a comprehensive solution that empowers admins to manage their organization's data more efficiently. It's packed with robust functionality, supports large-scale operations, and offers automation capabilities. It's the go-to tool for any organization looking to streamline their data management processes and ensure optimal efficiency. Learn more about Data Loader and other best practices for Salesforce admins on our blog at brainiate.show.